Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make some lovely sweet rice. Sweet rice is made with white rice. I have here 250 grams of white rice. And to go with the rest of the ingredients, I have 250 grams of margarine. These two ingredients are measured by grams. Then I have a cup of fresh milk, of which I'm going to use a few drops of vanilla essence to flavor. I have here half a cup of sugar and half a cup of tin milk, which is optional. And then I have 2 tablespoons of Saigo soaked in cold water, which is also optional, but the Saigo is a thickening agent. So I have 15 pod of elaichi, of which I roasted in my dry pot, which I normally show you all how I do my dry ingredients, of which I'm only going to use the seed from the inside and not the husk. Firstly, I'm going to start with my elaichi. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do this. I'm going to crack open and use just the inside of the seed. I need to get maybe a quarter of a teaspoon of powder from this. And these husks won't be thrown away. I'll add it to my biryani mixture. It can still be used. Now I peeled up my elaichi. I'm just going to grind it into a smooth powder. You can also buy your ready-made elaichi powder, but you won't get the strong smell. Okay, I'm done grounding my elaichi powder, and this will actually be sprinkled from the top, so I will just leave it aside for the last. Then I'm going to mix up all my liquid ingredients, the cup of milk, the half a cup of sugar, and a little droplet of vanilla essence, not too much, just a few drops. And then my half a cup of tin milk. I will stir this well and keep aside. You can already get the smell of ice cream being made. I gave my rice a rinse and I drained off the water. Now I'm going to put it onto my flame to cook. I have a liter of water, but I'm going to just use the water covering the heads of the rice. Okay, that is almost half a liter of water. And I'm going to allow this to boil till it comes soft, but I'm going to keep watching. I've used a liter of water to boil up this rice, and it's not very sticky as yet, but before it comes to that point, I want to add in my soaked Saigo and allow it to simmer this for about 10 minutes. You see the starch from the rice gives it a thick soup-like finish. From this point of cooking, you have to keep a very careful eye, because to have all the water reduced, it starts to catch. I can see mine is already starting to catch. Then I'm gonna add in my margarine. Let this margarine melt out. Now my margarine is cooked in well. This is going to be a very rich sweet rice. Now I'm going to add in my liquids. From this point, if you have some dry fruits, you can add it, or your crushed almonds, or even a ripe banana. Now it must boil till the rice get a little sticky, but not very dry. Maybe about another 10 minutes, and then it's done. Before the rice is completely cooked out, I'm going to add in my 1/4 teaspoon of elaichi powder, so it doesn't overpower the taste of the sweet rice. And I'll continue stirring till it gets a little more thicker. When I was grinding my elaichi, I realized that I ground more than I needed, so I just added my remainder of the elaichi powder to my masala mix. My sweet rice is made, and this is how we like it, to this thickness. But most likely as it cools, it might get more thicker. If you don't like your sweet rice to be too rich, so you can reduce the amount of margarine to 150 grams. Here you go, a rich, delicious bowl of sweet rice. I want to say a very big thank you to Aunty Rose from Newlands West, who has given me this recipe. And enjoy, and thank you all for watching.